Hello guys, I'm Parith, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And if you see, Bank Nifty still holding its level, although Bank Nifty did take a pullback of sort of 1% this week. But Nifty, if you see, Nifty is continuously going up, mostly because IT was very strong this week, and that's why Nifty, if you see, has closed in green again. And again, we were expecting that until unless 21,500 is being held, we will see new highs being made in Nifty, right? And if you see, Nifty did make a new high on Friday. However, if you see, Bank Nifty is still in that range, right? So will it continue to move up, or will we again see a sell-off? It is going to be very simple, right? Now if you see, if Bank Nifty sort of takes a little bit of pullback on the downside over here on Monday, or in the first maybe 1 or 2 days of the week, and then starts to move up, we will see a very good up move which will take us easily to 49,000. In Nifty, if you see, as I said, 22,000 is going to be our target over here, first target, and that is being very close to achieve, right? We've already gotten up till 21,928. So yeah, basically targets are coming in Nifty also, right? But if you see in daily charts over here in Bank Nifty, if you see, has taken exactly support from 47,000, right? Which was our target on the downside, first target, and then we were expecting that Bank Nifty would go down more. But yes, Bank Nifty did not really go down more than that. It's okay. Bank Nifty is holding these levels and it is very good, right? Now on the upside, if you see, this candle is going to be very important. This red candle is going to be very important over here. Once we go above this red candle and start sustaining, then we will see Bank Nifty making new highs, and it will be very fast. Keep in mind that it will be very fast because a lot of short positions are made in Bank Nifty only. As of now also, short positions are in Bank Nifty mostly, because if you see Nifty, nobody wants to short Nifty over here. Nifty has made an all-time high, right? Nobody wants to short Nifty. Everybody has shorted Bank Nifty, and short positions are only being held in Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty has still not broken any of its high over here on the upside. So if we want to get a good move this week, focus on Bank Nifty. Even if Bank Nifty is holding 48,000 over here, if Bank Nifty is holding near 48,000, we will see a very good upside move, which will also take Nifty up, right? However, again, one thing to note is that Wipro is up very much on in New York, in basically New York Stock Exchange. Wipro has its stock in New York Stock Exchange. If I could show you guys, if you see NYSE Wipro Limited, right? Wipro is up 17% over here. If you see, right, it was up 17% on Friday in New York Stock Exchange, because after market the results of Wipro were very good, right? And now Wipro is up 17%, which means the IT pack will still be very strong this week also, or at least it will hold higher levels, and at least on Monday we will see a very good opening in all of the IT stocks, right? So Nifty will still be very strong over here, and chances are Nifty blows past 22,000 and doesn't really stop for a long time, right? We will see a little bit of pullback from 22,000, but nothing big, and looks like next target is 22,500 on the upside, because basically the IT pack is very strong. Bank Nifty has not seen a lot of short covering over here. Once Bank Nifty starts moving up above this candle, then chances are that we will see a very good up move, which will push Nifty till 22,000, Bank Nifty till 49,000 very easily. Will 50,000 come? That we cannot really say as of now, because again, 50,000 is still basically more than 2,000 points away, right? So first target is 49,000, then we'll see can Bank Nifty achieve 50,000 on the upside, right? Again, as I said, above that candle, Bank Nifty will see a very good short covering, which will take us up till 49,000 very fast. So keep that in mind, and I think you should focus more on Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty hasn't really moved on the upside as of now. So what can we do for Monday? Right now, as I said, in the weekly, both Nifty and Bank Nifty are looking very good, and focus on Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty hasn't even given a breakout. If you see, this trend line on the upside is still going on. One more thing that you need to keep in mind, which is going to be very important, or which can help you, is the FNO data, right? If you see, over here in the index future positions, right, this is the net position of all the participants, and if you see, retail is holding 41,000 short contracts in index futures, right, basically Nifty and Bank Nifty, but FIs are holding 66,000 long. Ignore this DII position because they are doing it for hedging purposes and not really speculation purposes. But if you see, FIs are holding a net long over here, basically proprietary traders have also come in net long on Friday. So keep that in mind. In all other places also, if you see in call option index, basically client is retail traders are holding 3,98,000 short call options, right? But FIs and pros both have come into holding long call options. Over here also, if you see, Pro has come basically short in put option, so they are long over here also. FI, however, is holding a big quantity, but it looks like this is sort of for hedging purposes over here. And I think the call is also for hedging purposes, but the main position is this index futures. Index futures, whenever someone is making big position in index futures, that means they are trying to make aggressive positions, right? Now, Pro has started to come in positive over here. What we'll need to see is the Pro taking more positions in index future, taking more long positions, or are they holding themselves, right? I think the pros will now start to get into positive, and the client will start to even bring in more short positions in index future, which will push our markets up even more, because then they will need to cover their shorts at high levels, which will again mean that we have a very good short covering, right? Anyways, what can we do for Monday is going to be very simple. Now, Bank Nifty took resistance from this trend line over here, but if you see, this trend line has become very weak right now. Once we break out above this trend line, we will see a very good short covering on the upside, because if you see, Bank Nifty is holding its levels, right? Bank Nifty did not break its previous basically big swing that was of 47,000 over here and took support from there, right? On the over here, if you see on Friday, as I said, for Friday, once you see that market is, let the market come down, let market take support and then take a long position. And from there also, if you see, Bank Nifty went up very good, and first target of 47,800 was achieved, and then Bank Nifty did see some sort of a correction, right? Anyways, what can we do over here for Monday? For Monday is going to be very simple. If Bank Nifty could sustain over here for some time near 47,800 or above 47,850 for some time, right? And then once we break out above 47,860 or 860 to 850, then we can see a very good up move in Bank Nifty, first of all till 48,000, and then 48,130 to 150 on the upside. 48,150 to 48,150 is going to be a very important level, because this, as I said, right, that candle's high in daily chart, the candle I showed you, it was this high, right? And once this high is broken, we will see a very good short covering in Bank Nifty on the upside, which will take us till 49,000 very easily, right? So in Bank Nifty, if we see, if Bank Nifty sustains over here for some time, right, below this trend line for some time, and then breaks out on the upside above 47,850, that is where we will go ahead and take a bullish position till the target of 48,150. That will be our first target, and then 48,000, that will be our 48,000 will be our first target, and 48,150 will be our second target. Then we want market to sustain over here for some time. But if you've taken this position over here, long position, you can hold it on positional basis also for a target of 49,000 on the upside. At least hold it till 48,500 to 600. That can also be an easy target. But I think 49,000 can be very easily achieved. And if you are making positions at a low level over here, that is when we can see a very good up move on the upside, which will take us till 49,000 on the upside. On the downside, this zone will be very important, 48,500 to 48,450. We should not go below this zone. And if we are holding this level 48,500 to 450 and making positive price action over here, you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade from here also. And then we can again keep a target of, first target of 47,800, which will be a small target, but then we can easily keep 48,000 and 48,150 on the upside, right? But again, if you are making positions over here also, then also we can expect the market to move up very fast on the upside. On the downside, why am I saying that from here also we can continue to move up, is because if you see, basically this is a trend line that is coming from the downside, which could be something like this. Now market could come down till here, show everyone that this trend line is breaking and start to move down, and then start to move up, right? So again, until unless 47,500 is sustained and we see negative price action below this zone, only then will we go ahead and take a short position, and then we can aim for targets below 47,000, right? Because then Bank Nifty will go below 47,000, probably till 46,500, and then we can see what can we do on the downside, right? So below 47,450, once we make negative price action, that is only where we will go ahead and take a short position till the target of 47,300 first of all, which will be a small target, but then we can keep easily a target of 47,000 on the downside, right? But again, 40 below 47,450 also we will see very good momentum on the downside, and above 47,850 also we will see a very good momentum till 48,150 first of all. Then bank nifty might take a little bit of basically a pause over here, or it might not take pause over here also, right? Bank nifty could continue to move up very fast and not even stop, because bank nifty hasn't moved. So maybe bank nifty might move very fast, maybe it might give a little bit of pullback and then continue to move. If you are opening with a very big gap up, let's say somewhere near 48,000, right? Again, we will not buy at high levels. Wait for a pullback till 47,800 at least, and then go ahead and take a buying position at least 47,700 to 800. In this zone, once you see that bank nifty is making positive price action, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish position again, which will push up till 48,000. Again, 48,100 will be our first target, 100 to 150, and then as I said, on positional basis you can keep a big target of 49,000 on the upside. On the downside also, as I said, I hope you guys have understood the plan. On Nifty, however, Nifty, if you see, is very strong over here. If we open, let's say, with near 22,000 or little above 22,000, please do not buy over here. Let Nifty take a little bit of pullback till 21,850 to 900. In this 50-point range, once you see that Nifty is sort of consolidating and taking support, making positive price action, that is when we will go long. Do not go long from 22,000 itself. Maybe Nifty might not even come down, right, and just continue to move up till 22,000, about 22,000. But even for that, if you want to take a long position, wait for price action or positive price action and keep your quantity very less over here, right? But as I said, it's okay if you do not take a long position over there. Wait for a little bit of pullback till at least 21,900 to 850. In this 50-point range, wherever you see market is making positive price action, you can then go ahead and take a bullish trade in Nifty also on the upside with a target of 22,000, a straight target of 22,000 on the upside, right? Book your profits a little bit before 22,000. Do not wait for the exact number on the upside. On the downside, 21,800 is going to be very important. Below 21,800, because if you see, 21,800 was sort of the breakout point also. So if we see that market is coming near 21,800 and taking support from here also and making positive price action, you can then also go ahead and take a bullish trade over here also, because then this will just be a small pullback and then we can again continue on the upside, right? Maybe market opens flat and then goes on the upside. If we open flat and start crossing 21,920 to 930, 920 to 925, even then also you can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here also, no problem at all, right? If, as I said, if you open with a gap up, you can maybe take a profit booking trade, but I would suggest it's not really a necessity. Below 21,800, that is when we'll go ahead and take a short position, but wait for negative price action and only keep your very small targets till 21,750 first of all, and then 21,720. Do not keep very big targets over here, because Nifty can anytime go on the downside and then take support and then come up. So do not keep very big targets over here. And even if you want to sell in bank nifty, because bank nifty is more weak, so it will continue to move down faster as compared to Nifty. So as I said, sell in bank nifty, not in Nifty, because again, as we said, that Wipro is up very much, so Nifty will be extra strong over here. So selling in Nifty is not really an option, right? It is an option, but it's not a good option as compared to bank nifty, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. And as I said, this week the market, bank nifty especially, could continue to move up, and bank nifty could show us a very good momentum as compared to Nifty, and Nifty could also very well close about 22,000 on the upside if bank nifty supports. So I hope you guys like this analysis, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.